Portfolio, Program and Project Offices, or P3O, explains how organizations can successfully establish, develop and maintain appropriate support structures that will facilitate the delivery of change initiatives through portfolios, programs and projects. The P3O guidance provides a joined-up approach to the design, implementation and operation of portfolio, program and project offices. Program and project offices have been in existence in some form since the introduction of project management as a disciplined approach to managing change. Traditionally, these offices managed project and program planning, risk management, issue management, change control and administration, and reported directly to the program or project manager. Over time, the remit expanded to include standards and assurance for these disciplines, and additional reporting lines were introduced. More recently, management of portfolios, or MOP, has contributed to the increase in organization portfolio offices. These assess whether projects and programs are doing the right things and whether the organization is getting the benefits from its investment. There are 2 chapters in this module. In Chapter 1, we'll define a portfolio, program and project in more detail. We'll then look at what constitutes business as usual, or BAU, and how it relates to PPM, which stands for Portfolio, Program and Project Management. In Chapter 2, we'll look at the basic model of a P3O and explore portfolio, program and project management in detail. We'll also look at P3O governance. By the end of the module, you'll be able to recall key PPM definitions, identify key concepts of a P3O and its organizational context. You'll also be able to identify the relationships between elements of a P3O model and each element's objectives. Finally, you'll be able to identify P3O governance responsibilities.